Hey everyone! So if you've read from the title, we're going to be opening up a mystery bag from Ipsy. This popped up on the app about a week and a half ago and I just couldn't resist. There's just something so alluring about a mystery bag. Like, you just don't know what you're going to get. It's such a gamble. It could be really good. It could be really bad. But I wanted to share it with you all just in case you were interested and you wanted to grab one for yourself. So without further ado, let's open this bad boy up. And here is the bag. So it's kind of running in the same theme with the other bags this month. There's the little like wooden-esque Ipsy pull tab. It has that same material that would be easy to wipe down with some color blocking. So we have like a slate gray, a pink, and like a peachy kind of color. So, all right. The first thing I am pulling out is this. This is Urban Jubei Ultra Hydrating Lip Balm. And I like the packaging. It's really pretty. It's got like lotus flowers and has like a little hemp thing up top. So I'm not really sure if this has, yeah, with hemp oil. Nourishes and protects. So let's see. And this is just like your traditional lip balm. So I do like lip balms. I do usually enjoy those. I have been using the Sarafine Botanical lip juice that we got in our glam bag a lot lately. In fact, that's what I have on right now. And I just really love it. It's been very, very hydrating. Okay, and so the next thing is this, and this is the Belief, the True Cream Nourishing Balm. And so this is something that we see probably a lot in our subscription boxes is Belief. I have been using the under eye cream with the peat or whatever that we got from Allure, and I am absolutely obsessed. I love that eye cream. So this does have the false bottom, so you can see you're not getting a whole lot of product in there. So there you can kind of see. Let's see. It doesn't have much of a smell to it, but this says clinically proven to retain moisture for up to 26 hours, and it's dermalogically tested. So, all right, there we go. So we have some cream. The next thing is this, and this looks like it's kind of gone through the ringer there. It's a hand cream. This is from, I want to say it's either Cielo or Sella. I've gotten a few hand creams from them before. I love the packaging. It's very, very pretty. But this one is the Seed to Skin. Oh, this is a scrub. Okay, so this is the natural grain polished exfoliant. Cool. From Seed to Skin. How to use. Apply to wet skin in circular motions, buffing away dryness. Rinse thoroughly. Okay, awesome. I love scrubs. I do have dry skin, so I think a big misconception is like when you have dry skin, you want to like exfoliate, 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 but that's actually the opposite of what you want to do. Sometimes too much exfoliation can make you even more dry. So I usually tend to limit it to like once, maybe twice a week. So let's see. We do have a safety seal there. Peel that off. And let's feel it. Ooh, it's kind of like an apricot kind of color there. And, oh, okay. It's definitely very granular. I don't know if you can hear that. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I don't know what that smells like, but that smells amazing. I feel like this is like a sugar scrub or something. If the ingredients list wasn't like super, super tiny, I probably could see what, I don't know, but it smells amazing. I am super excited for that. Love that. Okay, the next thing is this, and this is from Ahava. This is the Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. And pretty blue packaging. And it says Sea Kissed. So a rich hand cream drenches your hands in velvety smoothness while marine and floral notes awaken your senses. You are sea kissed. Apply anytime, approved for sensitive skin. And Ahava is a good brand. It's sold at Ulta. This does have the safety seal on it as well. So I'm not going to open it up because I literally have so many hand creams going right now. And I might be able to pass this on to my mother-in-law or my stepmom. They would probably enjoy that as well. So I don't want it to go to waste. Okay, and then the very last thing is this. This is the Aphrodite Olive Oil Face Mask, Deep Cleansing, Instant Hydration with Aloe Vera and Spirulina Extracts. So there's that. It says the secret of natural beauty, 87% natural. Cool. So it's free of parabens, silicones, propylene, glycol, mineral phthalates, synthetic dyes. That's awesome. Okay, so it's a face mask for all skin types. It's deep cleansing, but it's also instant hydration. That's awesome. Have to give that a try. I definitely need the hydration. And again, it has the little safety seal tab on there. So I don't want to really open it and try it just yet because I am working through quite a few masks. All right, so of course this was like very like skincare heavy, and I think it even said that in the description that it would be more skincare heavy. But again, here's a look at the bag and the Ipsy logos inside there. And I believe this one was like $14.99, around $15. So what did we think of the mystery bag? I think it was pretty good. I mean, it's pretty much what I expected it to be. I think I expected there to be maybe a little bit more makeup in it, even just something simple like, I don't know, a gloss, or even just like a, maybe a blush or something, I don't know. But let's go back over all the items that we got in the Ipsy mystery bag. So we have the Urban Jubei Ultra Hydrating Lip Balm with hemp oil. We have the Aphrodite Olive Oil Face Mask, says deep cleansing. We have the Belief the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. So this is different than the Aqua Balm. The Aqua Balm is more of like a water gel, and then that's more of like a rich cream. Okay. We have the Cielo Seed to Skin Scrub that just smells fantastic. I cannot wait to use that one. And then lastly, we have the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream and Sea Kissed. All right, so I think this is definitely appropriate for right now. Going into spring, you're gonna wanna like spruce your skin up. You're gonna want to kind of slough off any dead skin from the winter, get your glow on. So I actually enjoyed the items that were within. I hope you enjoyed watching the unbagging, and so that way if you're interested in it, you'll kind of get an idea of what's going to be in your mystery bag. I don't know if every mystery bag is gonna have these exact products, but you'll have like an idea of what to expect. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe. It means the world to me. We did hit 100 subscribers, so I'm going to be planning a great giveaway for you guys just to thank you all for stopping in and joining the crew. But until next time, I will see you then. Thanks. Bye.